I think that person's following us. They're way too close to our car. Their gas cap is open. I'll honk to let them know. They honked at us. What do? We need to lose them. I need to tell you something. Quick, open block blast. What? Why? It's a puzzle game where you stack and clear blocks. How's that gonna help? Trust me. You need to listen to me. This isn't doing anything. We have to get over the bridge before he does. Why the bridge? Let block blast handle it. What does that mean? We're over the bridge. What do? Place a block on the bridge. If you say so. What just happened? Where'd that guy go? Download Block Blast today.